So determination of dissociation constant. Dissociation constant. Sorry, degree of dissociation. Okay. Determination of degree of dissociation, given by alpha of weak electrolytes. Weak electrolyte. So alpha extent of ionization or degree of dissociation given by alpha. So alpha, how do you determine alpha? And చెప్పండి ఎట్లా దాని మనకు కొన్ని థియరీస్ ఉన్నాయి ఆల్రెడీ వి లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ UGR PG. Degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte. By applying Ostwald dilution law. From Ostwald dilution law, you have to determine degree of dissociation or extent of ionization of weak electrolyte. తెలుసు మనకు ఏంటది Ostwald dilution law. So K is equal to
concentration of reactants by concentration.
I no need to direct equation. So K is the dissociation constant of weak electrolyte. Dissociation constant, D dissociation constant is equal to C alpha square. This is the Ostwald dilution law. Okay. KD is the dissociation constant of weak electrolyte. C is the concentration, alpha is the degree of dissociation. So if you know the KD value, so from this, so alpha is equal to KD by C. This is the equation. If you know the dissociation constant as well as concentration, you will get the dissociation constant of weak electrolyte, so which is obtained from Ostwald dilution law. So Ostwald dilution law. But if you know the concentration as well as KD, we will get the alpha value. So without knowing concentration, without knowing KD, we can determine by applying Kohlrausch law. So directly, so alpha is equal to alpha is equal to lambda C by lambda infinity. So this is the direct equation to determine alpha. So degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte can be determined by taking lambda C. Lambda C means equivalent conductance at given concentration. So lambda infinity or lambda 0 both are same. So it is getting from by applying Kohlrausch law. Suppose you take example 1. Suppose alpha of 0.1 N acetic acid. 0.1 acetic acid తీసుకుంది. ఎట్లా వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? So degree of dissociation of 0.1 N acetic acid solution. ఎట్లా వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? So alpha is equal to lambda C ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? Lambda C అంటే ఇక్కడ 0.1 N acetic acid ఉంది. So lambda C is equal to మన ప్రిన్సిపల్ తెలిసి ఇక్కడ 1000 into K by N. So this is the equation. From this equation, you will get the lambda C value. 1000 K is the specific conductance. చెప్పుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ. Every solution at a given concentration showing a particular specific conductance. So, కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 0.1 కు specific K value ఉంటుంది. You know the N value 0.1. So, from this you will get the lambda C value. So, what is lambda infinity? You know, according to Kohlrausch law, lambda 0 of CH3 COO minus lambda 0 of H plus. మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ one of the statement, lambda 0 of lambda infinity of acetic acid. So don't confuse the student, infinity is 0 same. So lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 H plus. అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ, you know lambda 0 of lambda 0 of is 40 point, yesterday I mentioned 40.9, lambda 0 H plus is 349.8. This sum, so approximately 390.7. So lambda 0, lambda infinity is a constant. So which getting from the, by applying Kohlrausch law, lambda C, so getting from this equation, by knowing the K value, you will get the lambda C. The ratio is degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation. Simple. Okay. So without knowing concentration, just without knowing degree of, without knowing dissociation constant, simply by putting the lambda C and lambda infinity, directly you will get the degree of dissociation. So simple, based on this equation, one of the problem. So previous question observed in set examination. Set examination, simple. The problem ఇక్కడ. One problem is the specific conductance of of 0.1 N acetic acid is 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 ohm inverse per centimeter. Find the alpha of acetic acid. Alpha means degree of dissociation. A 3.9, C 3.9, D 0.12. The answers. Sorry, ఇక్కడ C సేమ్ వచ్చింది కదా.
టైం ఇద్దామా సార్ 1 minute?
ఇద్దాం, ఒక నిమిషం ఇవ్వాల్సింది. C of 0.1 N acetic acid is 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 ohm inverse and centrifugal inverse. Find the alpha of acetic acid. And also sometimes also given the value in bracket I given all acetic acid is 390.7. So ohm inverse centimeters square per equivalent.
Option C 0.39. 39. Option C.
3. Sorry, ఇది 3.1. Sorry, ఇది 3.1 ఇది. .1. So answer is
0.31 3.1 ఇది
0.31.
0.31 okay
0.31 first A.
0.39. Yes, first option is 3.9.
A 3.9, second 0.039, C 0.31, D 0.12.
Yes, so Sharada given option.
Yes, sir. Option A 3.9.
Yeah,
3.9.
C, sir.
0.3
C.
ఇచ్చారు శారద. C కూడా ఇచ్చారు.
Okay. Anybody? మీరు ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తూనే వస్తాయి.
C, sir.
మన ఎగ్జామినేషన్ మన టైం 1 minute.
C కరెక్టా?
0.31, sir.
3.1.
Okay, nice. So answer is C. This is answer. Same principle. So alpha, so lambda 0 given 390.7. So alpha C ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? Same. So alpha C is equal to 1000 into K by N. K given 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. So simple ఇస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. So first K value given. So lambda C is equal to 1000 10 power 3, K value 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 by 10 power minus 1, 0.1 10 power minus 1. So 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 10 power minus 1. ఏమొస్తుంది? 10 power minus 1, 10 power 2 into 1.2, simple here. This is 120. So next step is alpha is equal to lambda C by lambda infinity or lambda 0. So 120 by 390.7 is equal to approximately 0.31. You know the alpha should be less than 1 for weak electrolytes. So previous class we have discussed it. So for strong electrolytes, alpha should be 1. So for weak electrolytes, always alpha should be less than 1. So ఇది మనకు మైండ్ లో మనకు స్ట్రైక్ అయితే ఇక్కడ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, ఇక్కడ 3.9 ఉంది కాబట్టి మనకి ఇది ఉండదు ఇక్కడ. రిమైనింగ్ ఇక్కడ ఈ BCD ఏదైనా కావచ్చు, అట్లా మనకు